Get my NY girls.
Alright, so it's officially hoodie drop day. This is the fit for the day. This is a hoodie that we're dropping along with the blue one. And got a lot of missions to bust today. So I have to go pick up some tags right now. He's gonna finish a shoot. I mean, not tags, hoodies with tags. And then we're gonna hang them up here. I'll show you guys. We're gonna hang them all up here. Some people wanna pick them up in person, so it's gonna be cool. So then after that, I gotta come back home after I pick up the hoodies with tags. Make sure everything on the site's perfect, get everything ready for drop, and then drop. So yeah, let's see how today goes. Hopefully we'll do some nice little numbers. If we sell out, crazy. But we'll see, it's the first drop, so let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. We're gonna be vlogging all day because this is the video you guys will be seeing tomorrow. So yeah, I have to record, edit in less than 24 hours while also selling out these hoodies. I don't know why I thought that if I cut my hair short, I would just wake up with decent looking hair, but no matter what, unless you get a buzz cut, you still gotta do something to it. So you should just stuck with long hair. Not as long as it was, but maybe a little longer. Alright, so we just went live and the SMS blast hit and there's like 300 people on site right now and it's been like a minute, literally like less than a minute, and it's going crazy. So yo, if we sell out quick, I promise you, this is crazy. Like, this is the craziest drop I've ever experienced. It's not even 3 p.m. This is like SMS list pre-sale. What? Insane. Then you got Chipotle, so that's like equally as good as that. So what's popping, guys? So the drop has gone crazy so far. Damn, I didn't take a video of the cake, but I'll plug a picture of the cake. But we're actually gonna sell out within 24 hours, which is like so unexpected. Honestly, I didn't think that many people were gonna show love and show up and support, but they did. So very excited to like make this a huge thing for 2022. You know, we're gonna keep dropping cool shit, dropping cool things. And yeah, so now we're just gonna wrap it up. Gonna catch some dinner tomorrow, celebratory dinner tonight actually at 11. We're about to head out to dinner. We're gonna go to Komodo. Keep forgetting I have to turn off the music while I talk so I don't get copyrighted. But if it was any other day, we would not be doing this right now. But it's Thursday, so you know what that means, right? Let's go eat with the boys. We got Dressy in the back. We got Piero over here. So man, happy. On Thursday. What, using a fake name? We're here on this amazing lighting, so about to go eat, hopefully catch a nice little vibe at the restaurant. We've been up for way too long on 2 coffees for celebratory purposes, so let's see how this food turns out. Alright, we're about to eat good. I'm starving. Finally. That's that different sauce right there.
Is that what?
Everybody dripped out. Alright, we just pulled up to the tables. See the aesthetic.
After 45 minutes waiting outside.
Yeah, details.
Come on. Can I sing?
Fried rice.
Motherfucker, I'm here.
Here, thank you.
Re-record.
Thank you so much.
Re-recording. Oh, I have these.
How you properly cook a steak. Alright, so we just ate far too much. I'm so full right now. Like, I cannot eat anymore at this point because everybody got like 4 different plates. So I can't. I'm gonna get home, knock out, have the best sleep of my life, and finish some of the hoodies that we have for tomorrow because we still have to pick up some from the tag place. It's So we gotta finish that, pack them all up, start shipping. And to the boy, man, Jordan out here. What are the odds, right? But yeah, he's gonna come through tomorrow to pick up his hoodie. So see you, brother.
Rap nigga, I tell that bitch it's more attractive when you hold it down. Flicks and take her ass out in public.
Alright, so I just woke up. It's no longer Thursday, unfortunately, but drop went amazing, pretty much. Basically sold out. We have one more hoodie left in stock. And the reason that one's still there is because it's the small size. And the issue here was that we thought most of our audience was gonna buy small since they're very oversized. So we're like, you know what? Let's double the stock. So we have 2 times as many smalls as large. And the large sold out within like 10 minutes. So we had some smalls that weren't moving as quick as the large did. But there's only one left. So it still hasn't even been 24 hours. So insane how we sold out within 24 hours. It's actually crazy. Like I did not think that many people were ready to cash out for some hoodies and show love and support, and that was the case. So very excited to continue working on this project to show you guys what else we work next. We already have the second drop planned out. So yeah, very excited to take this to crazy levels. So now we're gonna work out, then after that we're gonna come back and start shipping out, fix this mess, start shipping out the hoodies so everybody gets them. Everybody gets their hoodies shipped within 24 hours, and everybody gets them by Monday, Tuesday, hopefully.
The boy Cam just pulled down to get a coffee.
Yo, yeah, crazy, guys. New hoodie already sold out in like what? How long?
Couple 6-7 hours.
Crazy. Best hoodie ever. Can't wait for the second drop though.
Thank you, bro.
Real.
We just wrapped up that workout. Now we're gonna get some matcha. I don't feel like drinking coffee today. Here in the 7th floor.
Keep that, and if you want.
Thank you. Made with, do you have almond milk?
Yes.
That's what I like.
Matcha over here. So I already know I get the healthy option. He's about to get a Red Bull. So we're not the same over here. It's smoked.
Zero.
So down bad.
Zero
Embarrassing.
zero fat, you feel me?
It's embarrassing. Alright, we're back at the crib. Got my matcha. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I thrifted this like 3 days ago for $10. This is a $600 hoodie. So, as you guys know, I'm a huge Drake fan. I like Murakami too, so finding this was crazy for me. So I was like, nah, there's no way. It's a $10 hoodie. Now we're gonna go to the package room. We have to find a few. We have to get a few things that are missing for us to finally ship out the orders, and we're gonna start shipping orders for the next 24 hours, so you guys can get them quick. So yeah. All right, so we officially just sold out like the last 2 units that I was telling you guys about under 24 hours, under a day. So pretty insane. I don't believe it. It's crazy. We're about to start shipping. So yeah, just wanted to kind of wrap up this video by saying, I don't even have where to sit because they're everywhere in the house, but just wanted to wrap up the video by saying thank you to everyone who supported. Honestly, it's pretty insane. I've always wanted to do this since like 2014, 2015. I dropped some hoodies in 2015, I believe, but that was like Gildan quality. I literally just did some rips on them and some Kanye thing. And yeah, I mean, I had like 10 of those and I sold those for like 25 bucks. So coming full circle and actually doing like something that I'm proud about with the tags, along with Piero. Obviously we just had like some ideas, wanted to do high quality stuff, custom dyes, custom colors, custom print, custom tags, really good quality. This is my second heaviest hoodie in my closet, 1,000 grams, really heavy. A Chrome Hearts hoodie I have is like 700 grams. The Fiora got one that I have is like 800. So 1,000 grams is like second heaviest hoodie I have. So it's heavy, guys. It's good quality. Like, it's something that I wouldn't put something out that I wouldn't wear. So really thankful, very excited to take this project. This is my priority along with the other brand that I've been doing for 2 years. So really crazy to see where this goes. Hopefully this is like the start. You know what? This is the start of something great, and just for those of you that have been there for the whole journey since the start, thank you so much. Even if you didn't buy, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the support. Keep an eye out for the next drop. We're about to start working on it. We know what we're gonna do for the next drop. We just have to like get this all sorted, ship them out, and then probably take a flight to LA to get production started. So we'll be back in about a month and a half, 2 months, which is what we estimate production is gonna take. We're gonna be doing a slight restock just for the large sizes because they went way too quick and we have a lot of people asking for large. But besides that, new colors, new styles, new products, and it's Thursday 2022. Every day's a Thursday here. So thank you guys for watching. Also, comment, like, subscribe, and tell me what type of videos you guys would want to see. Give me ideas, give me things you want to see, because I do run out of ideas. So any additional help is appreciated. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys next Friday.